What's up, y'all? It's Toni'Mo Tuesdays. Today I want to show y'all some highlights clipped in with the invisible lock method.
See, I'ma grind till I shine, hustle till I get it. I am my business, I am my business. I'ma grind till I shine, hustle till I get it. I am.
As you can see, my client already has luscious, beautiful, long hair, but we're just adding this for color. See?
Flexing on these bros, something kinda different, so I pose, take a picture, stay focused on my vision, cataract to these niggas. I stay counting figures, if you doubting, you gon' be
Now I'm just going to go in and part and add the tracks.
something like Ali, stay training when I write.
So this footage is actually when I initially did her clips. I prepared some clips for my client because she was getting married. So the color came in after the fact. So I already knew how long each track needed to be. I went in and braided, and then I secured the braid with a thin piece of regular sewing thread.
Listen, cause I'm easy, I'ma grind till I shine, hustle till I get it. I am my business, I am my busy. I'ma grind till I shine, hustle till I get it.
So before the next track, I just double check to make sure it's the right length, and then part and rebraid or do the same thing all over again.
I'ma grind till I shine, hustle till
Now all I have to do is take the wig clip, open it, and then push it in on top of the braid and then snap it closed. See? It's easy peasy. And voila, just like that, we're done. The hair was provided by my brand, Mo Styles by Tony. You can go to www.mostylesbytony.com. The music that is on the track is also by me. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow, hit that bell.
See, I'ma grind till I shine, hustle till I get it.